All right, class, we're going to get started on week two. And week two, there's quite a bit of content to go over, whether you're watching it or reading it. So just want you to pay close attention to make sure you get everything taken care of. Um, in your first little section here, you'll have your summary of what you need to take a look at for this week and what are some of the key things that you're going to be looking at, which is looking at different management theories, and then just also kind of figuring out what side you attach to, whether it's kind of classical theory or the human relations theory of management. So I want you to just take a look through this real quick. And at the end, there'll be a couple assignments. There'll be the discussion assignment and the week two quiz. So again, here's all your content to read for the week. I'm going to go down to this is another explainer video that I created for you, and it really kind of hits home on the classical versus the human relations management theory. So I want you to watch this and pay special attention to this. After you get done with that, I have created a unique quiz, and there's some special instructions for this quiz you need to pay attention to. So this quiz is going to help you decide a little bit which way you lean towards. Do you lean a little bit more towards the classical theory or the human relations theory? So this quiz I would like for you to download, and it's an Excel file. So you'll fill it out and then it'll auto-fill your responses based on what you give it at the bottom, and then it'll decide what your classical score versus your human relations score is. So if you don't have Excel, you can upload this to Google and then you just edit it right in Google and add your responses to each one. So don't sort or change the order of anything. Just go ahead and fill in this column under responses. So go ahead and download it and then go from there and it will fill out the scores for you. So it's something that I created so that you get a better idea kind of where you align with what your management style preference is. Okay. When you're done with that, I want you to go ahead and get into um, the discussion topic for the week. And there are four parts of that. The first part is, would you prefer to work for a manager who follows the classical moment or management theory or the human relations theory? Explain your reasoning and you use the results of the quiz that I just showed you to help solidify your response. And then say, hey, do you think that quiz was accurate or not? Kind of based on your own experiences. And then, so that's who would you rather work for? And then, how would you prefer to manage? Would you prefer to manage with the classical theory or the human relations theory? So there's a difference there, and you'll kind of figure out where you land, but then just kind of give some uh, reasoning behind that. So then I want you to go out on Handshake, LinkedIn, or kind of another website and try to find a match, the style that you think you would prefer as a manager with some of the jobs that are out there. So dig around a little bit. I think this will all come to light, but if it doesn't, feel free to send me a message. Again, I want you to submit your post a couple days before the due date. That'll give everybody a chance to kind of reply to that. All right. So the due date for that is the 25th. Um, but you're gonna go ahead and review the quiz piece. That's due on Wednesday, so that's why I release about a week ahead of time. So you'll have a full week um, to review everything and get it turned in on time. So that, in a nutshell, is what you've got going on for the week. Please let me know if you have any questions. Again, there's quite a few things to watch and to review. We do go back and look at the four functions of management, as you can see right here, but that's a little bit of a review as well. So I hope you guys have a great week, and I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with. Have a great day.